up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
My G's, right now today is kinda. Today is a vlog. Yesterday me tell a story. A whole lot of people love the story and so I need to do some more. May have some more forward phone soon. But today it's back to a regular vlog. We care about to come link me. I'm gonna pull up anytime now. Trabass and Walla we are gonna link up today. I'm gonna go over my father. We are gonna throw some swim around on the grill. Some roast can. We don't know what yet we are doing. We just know so we'll probably grill something today. Him have a lake in our backyard, so we're about to go fishing. We'll probably just catch the fish them and dash them back in a lake. So we'll probably just do it for sports and fun, like if it's who can catch enough of swim around and all them something. We'll probably just do that. Yeah, that's basically it today, probably. You know what I go on here. Lion King just come up. I want to watch Lion King, you know. I watched a bootleg last night, but I didn't feel that way. I'm like, Ricky about to come give me a link and we are going to get the fishing rod them. Me and Ricky supposed to got the struggle by bait, by hook and all them something there. So yeah man, we're there. We'll check in when Ricky for out mad move. Ricky in our building.
Yo!
We're there.
Where them thing there?
Right so.
What do you call it? Oh. What do you call it?
Rods.
Rods.
How many do you want here? He said. Rods. How much are they? Around 4 of them?
5. 4.
4 of them.
They catch some big swimmers. No, we're not going to consume it because freshwater we're going fishing. We're doing something different here.
We just catch them for sports and throw them out back. On the hook. They have line on them?
I think they have line, but we have to get hook.
Oh. Fishing pole them is so Ricky over here.
Big up the G's them.
Right now. Something wrong with you,
Gang.
Where you at, bro?
I'm gonna go pay them forward, pal.
Alright, dude.
I'm waiting on F.
What you think of them?
Oh, that makes sense. Shit, dude. Wanna get the beer 30?
No, we are about to go do that now.
Alright, they're gonna be a
You should have been a long time.
Long time. Why you not wash your fish from Holland? Alright, look a bit. Everyday routine.
Every day.
Yeah, man, today is gonna be a joyful, fun day. Oh
Yeah.
my god, what's going on? The spaceship. We still don't know how to operate
Yo,
this vehicle.
dog.
What let me just touch? What let me just touch?
He max out the coil.
Something. Now it's got hot, right?
What is the spaceship? Let me tell you the spaceship. Oh lord. The real official spaceship. Yeah, huge. Here today is a grill day. You know, I'm telling you before. And see if we can catch some swim around. Yo, me I feel like if me not catch none in a dog. Me have to feel like if me not catch none, you know.
Nobody, no, me even not say. If no one don't catch it, I'm at him, man.
No man no catch no swim around a body boy. Yeah, I had a way around. Any man catch no swim around.
Yeah, the first one, I'm at him, man. Alright,
Yeah.
don't tell nobody.
Yeah,
that's
we
the
not
trick.
that I trick video. Me know that's my bait. What?
Yo, me just a beer hook for you.
I show so.
First one catch a fish up at him,
So
man.
the first somebody catch a
Swimmers, sorry, correct.
Boy, you're right. The first one he catch a fish.
Yeah, that shit will be funny.
Yeah, we not tell nobody else. So what the trick you know? Cause so bait. We not put no bait for few.
We didn't even put a hook.
Yo, this is gonna be fun. But you're there for right now, so I'm checking back on it. Up it. Looking hooks.
A little fish we get, right? Or we trying to get big pound?
What? Big fish, a little fish.
I'll try to get them now.
Yeah, to find out them and get on the next
Yeah,
size
I
one.
want to size up.
Yo, we just go buy some bait and worm and bait something. And now we buy some corn and bait something.
Really hard style. We are doing different. We are doing roast fish. Roast we do?
Yeah.
Yeah, roast fish and bread. What is this bread called?
Hard work.
Secret recipe in the little sauce.
Ricky just ordered some finger roll, so they are waiting for it right now. Pity, no pity. Wrong way, you know. Right now we just get some chips. To be exact, what kind of chips it is?
St. Mary, wanna pay for the promo.
Yo, me always tell people say St. Mary banana chips better than chippies.
Yeah, way better.
They always run me
St.
down say no.
St. Mary have a new one that we're gonna try. It's
yeah.
plantain chips.
A black bag.
This is a banana.
Yes? St. Mary banana chips better than chippy by far.
Far.
Mm.
These taste like they were just
Nice, just
What?
pick. Like the
Fried?
banana just pick your hair and fry.
These are fried. Yeah, these just fried.
Comment below which is better, St. Mary or chippies. Yo, Pink say Pink when we have a debate, Pink always say chippies. Trabass always say chippies.
Yes. Probably are two a country we come
Chippies
from,
full of butter, dog. I be a butter in a chippies, dog.
Mm-hmm.
Crack up your arteries. St. Mary, big up on yourself. What port that me come from? St. Mary, right? It's a big up on yourself, St. Mary. But chippies, mad. The banana chips just taste fresh and nice,
If a
dog.
chippies, no, me not chippies, you know, but
No,
if
we
a
not
chippies
knock
right now, me da have to consume some drink.
Clyde,
Me can't
yeah.
consume. Me da drink something right now.
This was right. St. Mary, big up on yourself. So right now we're there. Be a pair of this Trabass one going raid. All of them are then tough. A be a pair in there, dog. Yo, pair full in there, you know. Holy, you want pair flood there, man. You want them and go here, though. You can't catch that on jump. There, I can't get it. No low one, no, they know where you're from. Yo, the chief full of people, the chief full of people. Full. See, acha. And there's them mango here, right? Look ripe enough to me. Tough, you're afraid. Me have to mix this with sugar. Salt and black pepper. No one, you can go on. See them out already though. Late or you know later. The late the way I go fishing, you know. Trabass just end up on the way for us. What? Right now there. Consume some string mango. This are like, I swear to you, this are like it 9th mango me eat from here. But oh God man. These are for a corn. We have steamed some corn the right way. No?
Yeah,
Just bring them on your body, Ricky, I lose the roach. The row. Well, I line up on that already, line up on this too?
Yeah, ready for you. Yeah, come.
Charles gone with the next time.
Yeah, man, we catch the first fish. You ready?
No.
This is cruelty. Actually, wearing them. You catch it already?
Oh, they take long to hook up, so.
Yeah, man. Give me that water already. Don't take long to hook up, man. Yo, me G's them right now we fishing. I don't want to put my bag in no doo-doo. But we there, me first day of water. Then say who first catch a fish win. You catch something? No. I don't even think if it's still upon it. It's still upon it, man. Watch how you throw it.
Yeah. When you are joined, you have to hook up with something.
No.
You don't need to over somewhere, you know? Eh?
No, nada. No show no this stuff.
You chill with the two girls.
Just move from side of me not that. Yo, hold on, my line, my sitting mash up down. You have to try to keep me before you know break this. Yo, mash up.
No, when you fling it out, yeah. So you wheel it up. But hold on. No. Go on.
I don't understand what you are your man.
No, go on.
Oh shit, oh.
So play the panic.
No, circle.
Go on it now. Go on.
You give me malfunction so.
Something by this way, man. So there.
Yeah man, something the panic.
Make him picky and he'll drive. Yo, you know, so we don't need. You want to pop it and roll the waistband one buckle? Because remember, no fault, I turkle on him.
A turtle?
Yes, see that? Yo, accident, we get catch you know?
I like them.
Yo, you was catching most one.
Yo, so y'all remember what we said, right? So look who caught the first one.
Yo!
The first one to catch a fish about it.
I know we set up a
Yo,
rule.
was catching first one.
And
This look pretty though.
him off and throw him back in there.
Yo, me know we can catch bigger one than this.
Yeah man, bigger one in there.
Yo, my camera there.
So this is my second one, guys, and I mean I was born for this. It looks so ugly. Ricky, you want him? Yeah.
I got two too. The two my guy.
Yeah, that me I realize. As soon as they go under, you have to pull him up. Catch him. Yo, me bad. Watch how me catch a fish.
Why do you take off that me catch one?
Eh?
Why do you take
Yeah,
off?
man, they might bite. They might bite, you know. It's more fun than the ocean.
That's the
Cause...
seawater.
Yeah, for real.
One big one.
One, two, yeah. Sweet that.
You're not put no salt on it because you have to put the thing there on it, right?
Yeah.
You put no salt on it.
No. Brother, we have flip up yourself.
I'm sure now how we catch fish at Jamaica. Me must get something right now. So vlogger like competition this, you know.
Yo, that one that big. Show your father. You probably...
You know the fourth one? We have to do the fourth one big.
One of them on the name that right now.
Yeah, tell the young kid them. Give them.
You see how big it is?
He can't take out the hook.
Take him, man.
He can't eat.
I don't want him. Make me throw him back. Make me throw him back now so don't get him to catch again.
Oh God, dog.
It's right about now. You know we here. This is the fifth one. 5, you know? Hey, go easy. I'm different. Say hello.
How you hook him?
That's a 6. It get too easy, you know. We need competition. Well, you wanna?
One next one. Every second.
Oh, yeah, catching something. So, yeah, do that. Tell me where you do that. I fresh food then one, man.
You have the same way if it is, you know.
I fresh bait then one.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, you get one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let you know.
Yeah, catch him back.
Me up on the highway.
Yeah, me that definitely catch it, the big. They
Honestly,
catch again. Jesus Christ, you was catch one again. Yo, oh, you're so lucky dog. I want to go on that too, you know. I would hook you up on
Yeah,
funny.
you man tell you see them scrapping at school.
But put the little one funny. The little hook.
7. That's not bad.
Them there.
What size hook him up? The small one?
Yeah. I catch one more again, so wrong. That don't go for a while ago, you know.
This so far me throw mine over this while I got to come back without no bite. What does it? I'm in there one down. No man, me I change my life. 3.
Right now, 7 is great. It's wonderful to be so far in the lead. It's remarkable, guys. You know.
Which you carry?
I don't even have words. I'm speechless. I didn't prepare a script or anything.
Salamai! Yo, somebody go for a hook, man. You grab it?
Yo, watch out.
Yo, let's try a fishing pole. No, I lied. Dog. One more there. You catch one? Yeah, one more there. Oh, God.
I want big one that time, you know.
Yeah. More tears move.
It's about, you know, as I gave my speech, it's 8 so quick.
Come string up here, I take too much.
Loose count, somebody give me a call.
I feel.
The loose count, somebody give me a call now.
Never gonna change the hook on my line.
This hour 9. Oh my God. 9 just like that.
Me there 3. Me there 3 people.
Hold on, let me get up.
We gone 3.
Trabass, hope him think. Trabass and Ricky tie.
Yeah. Go tell your friend him say me out here at work.
Yeah.
10, a small one.
Yeah, we can go finish here.
Imagine 10.
Me need to catch one more, me there 3. Me need to catch one more, me pass Ricky.
Yeah, you can't pass it because I'm not going to stop. I'll tell 12 o'clock at night and I catch 4.
Me say, me need to catch one to pass you. Me not stop. Crocodile, how you from break me line, man? If me catch a crocodile, it bomba close. What me do you say?
11. Yo, it's just so simple. It's just 11, dog.
I don't PR work.
12. So right now, me the 12. Don't watch me, Cersei. Who knows Cersei? Know Cersei. If you know Cersei, comment right now and say you know Cersei. Cersei bitter like what? But as you can see, we are roast some fish, so swim around. People, remember, see me and Ricky going and stole the quads, stand on the river fish them here, so. Alright, and we have some corn right here. As soon time, you know. You hungry though? Me hungry too, you know, me a starve. And this is 13, you know. No, I'm not eating none of them. Come here! Why style?
It looks like Famous come over here more time when we don't know.
They know me.
Practice.
So right now, 14 at this point. I don't know what to do now, I'm going to start. So Ricky look like him a move there.
It's like I'm afraid if you just grab it now because...
Yeah, Perry, yeah.
5. Fall over here, son.
6, Ricky there. Me not feel safe no more.
Biggest one. So vlog world, watch out, I catch the biggest one so far. Me there, how much me there? 8, 15, Trabass there 7. So right now, me and him are run tie right now.
What's that, 8?
Yeah, me there 8, you there 7. Biggest one, this one about like 5 pounds.
No, I lied.
How much?
Even a pound.
About 10 pounds this dog.
10 pounds. You're in drop class.
So we are doing it for the fun, we not eat them.
I tell you, I'll be a turkey right there, so. No, I mean 16.
Where me did a little while ago?
Big?
Oh, look up here, Booba, 9. This is number 14.
So right now, my 2 line them bust off. No hook, not upon them hook the round them, so but I'm not able to do it right now. Trabass arrest me, arrest Ricky. I only want still out there catch fish. Ricky said nah stop until me beat me. And he really serious. Can they almost now 15, 14, 2 more.
15 made 1 more and then
Tie, 1 for tie and 1 for pass.
so
Me there 16, him there 15 now. My work.
I'm gonna make it fun. I'm gonna stop at 16 and then when you're ready we're going again. So me there 16 dog. We're done now. And we are ready to go on again.
Like them might come out now.
So right now, you don't know, so there, some bread, some fish, you know what I mean? Kind of baked fish, but steamed fish, but with them something that we use though.
Escovitch.
Escovitch. Delicious.
Delicioso.
No, sir, 17 with there. This make 18 for there.
Woo!
No, I'm not hype yet. Wait him reach 34. Catch 19. Ricky have how much over there? So 17. Ricky just catch 17. Me just catch 19. So we're there. Yeah, the one you make 20. Something light. The coil, me the down the coil from my foot in and Ricky surpassed me, but right now me there. Well now, which part Ricky more Ricky there?
I don't know about 19.
21? How much are there, Ricky? 20.
I think I'm 19.
No, you're the 20 because you passed me, me did 19. So two with the 20 now. 20, boy, me tired. 21. 21. Me tired.
I'm just chilling. I'm right there with him. Ask the other guy.
Take that camera off me, bro. Man, I'm a thief. I want to use that catching fish up. I haven't caught one. I'm stuck at 7.
7 is our lucky number.
Don't talk to me, bro. I'm mad at you, bro. They keep eating off my break. Oh no, it's funny.
So right now they are literally too easy now. 22, show them 22. Come here. Where you flicking up, Supper?
Overall, how much? About 50 something. I will let them go.
No, overall. We can't. No, here.
No,
Do
them
not.
have over me 2 me catch 7. Them catch 20 and 19.
No. 22, 21, 7.
So right now, I just catch 23. I'm small. So you can bite back Ricky hook. 24. At this point, I'm just gonna call it a night. It was fun, guys. You know what I mean? Me there enjoy some swim around today. We buy from the store. We didn't catch them in here and eat them. We buy some corn, we deal with some corn, we deal with some bread and some beverage. And unfortunately, Trabass catch 7, Ricky catch 21, and me just catch 24. So it was a good day. Blessings and respect. So right now we're there back in a spaceship about for the road. It was a nice day. It was a very fun and eventful day. Ricky go 21. Not bad.
We got 25.
We go 25.
And Bash gone.
And Bass go 7. 7? Yo, man, I didn't go back.
Wait, look, let me show you.
Vlog works. What did I do 3 vlog?
Yeah.
Ricky bought for leave with a new puppy.
Ricky get a new puppy for
Abby.
baby.
Gabby.
Bring the dog over my house, you know.
You might bring the puppy go over the outside now. You see, Gabby.
Good movie.
See a little puppy here. I call him. What I call him?
White.
White.
Whatever Gabby
You see?
name.
See, Booba life. Okay, sir.
We're drinking Guinness for the night, guys.
Alright, Maro.
I want to be a drink Guinness here. I drink that something.
Hey! 22.
Look like me I breathe.
22, 25, 22.
Oh shit, so today, people.
Not tell them nothing.
Oh, I think me tell you now already. They catch 25 and 22. You see?
17.
7.
17.
7, me not feel it.
We give him 10.
Yeah, no, I go my belly, man. You look like me I breathe.
Alright, so Trabass a breathe on the Alligator. So
Wait, why you say Trabass a breathe?
me a check on the back in the morning. Big up on yourself.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them, I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.